Pulangi Albay. Celebration ngayon ng Pulangi Festival. So this is a week-long celebration ng Pulangi. Yung mga tao nag-celebrate syempre festival na. So the theme is red for Pulangi. So yung mga kasama sa street press, so street dance competitions, mga team nila is color red. So it's been 4 years since the pandemic, so ngayon start ulit sila na mag-start ng mga festivals. So allowed na ngayon ganitong pagsasama-sama or pagsasalo-salo, tama ba? Or pagdiriwang. So balik na sa normal guys. So ang tamang term is pagtitipon-tipon. So ang mga kasali dito sa street dance competition is mga locals from schools, from barangays. So nag-rehearse sila for this particular event. So composition sila ng mga barangays around Pulangi, Albay. So yun. So after nitong street dance, they will head on to the stadium or something na ganon. And may judges, and dun sila perform ng kanilang mga piece. And yun, they will be judged dun sa performance nila. So I think it's 7 minutes yung performances nila. So if you haven't been to street presentation, so naglalakad sila, then from time to time, pag maraming crowd, they will stop and perform. Gaya nung nakikita nyo sa video, ito ay yung nag-stop sila to dance and do their part. Ganyan. Yan. Well, ang tamang term actually is ano ba tawag doon? Exhibition yun. Exhibition. So from time to time sa buong parade, nag-exhibition sila pag maraming tao. So April, May, June is festival season around Albay. So ang Pulangi is usually kasama niya ang Tabaco and Sorsogon, halos sabay-sabay ang festivals dyan. So this comes after Magayon Festival. So kung may time kayo next year, punta kayo, drop by kayo sa Albay at manood ng kung ano. Maraming events and occasions and kung ano-ano pang concerts and kung ano-anong pasabog. So drop by kayo, punta kayo next year.